I have to record or you are recording?
Started.
Okay. Okay. Hi guys, welcome to Ignite India channel. Today this is the session for NIFT situation test and it will be taken by our expert Mr. Krishnanand Singh, and basically this session is about how you need to connect your product with the inspiration concept and some tips and guidelines for since the 1 month is remaining, let's start focusing and get a work better. So I'll be sharing a PPT and Krishna sir will be talking through with it, and he will be informing you and guiding you, and you can ask your doubts. You can write it in the chat box, because we need to make sure that your progress is continuous and it helps both sides. We welcome you here, Krishna sir. Can you start the session now?
Yeah, morning. Before starting the PPT, the few things which I would like to discuss, because I found some design which I put across into PPT and I thought I'll discuss with you. Most of us, how we how we think, that's more important. You see, the again, the situation what we see from today onwards, this third lockdown is there in India. In fact, across worldwide, you see this pandemic impact is. So this will be the great economic and political cost. It's a time of revolution, if you will notice it. We are in a time and situation where we have to think, you have to act, we have to come out with something, because you do not need to wait to get admission in the college. Okay, I am not a designer, maybe it's not my responsibility, but you are. And I would like to add here, at least we have 1 month time from here. I think, yeah, from here, 1 month for sure we have. Well, so 1 month time, if you will notice, is just a 1 month time. But 1 month for me is the one cycle of the moon. 1 month for me is the 30 days. 1 month is 4 weeks. And I don't think so. For this month, you don't have you can't focus yourself. We have enough time. This is the one cycle of a moon time. It's more than that. 27, 28 days only moon takes. So it's very, very focused time and very much time we have. So where we are lacking and where we are losing interest, I was quite upset after looking out your assignments and work. I'm quite happy few of you are doing really good, no doubt. But why don't we able to focus? Somehow we are missing it. No doubt we teach more than 1,000 students for situation test right now this year. And many of you are doing really great for this particular batch and the other batch students, some of them. But why not 100% people are able to participate? It's somehow, I don't feel motivated when I see all of you are not in the same energy. So that's what we'll try here. We'll find out the way. We will discuss few things, and I want your point also. And this will be continuing this week. We do have a very nice plan accordingly. And I decided also, only interested student, I'll keep a pretty separate batch where I want the same ecosystem, same participant, same energy level, so that the outcome will be also same. I wish everyone all the best, but this I want to see, Okay, Rem, could you please share that PPT which
Yes.
I want to talk? Yeah. Yeah, so all of you will thank you. So all of you will get your chance to express and talk, and post this session also. And I want similar things on Wednesday again, rather than today. I'm taking your class today because I want you to have a gap and discuss about it. So day after again we'll meet and we'll talk about it. So yeah, could we move on next page, next slide, next. So current scenario we discuss already. I have told you about the current scenario. You all are aware about it. So could you please unmute yourself and say me some point about the current scenario? Anyone? Anything if you have? Did you, which you have noticed? Okay, let it be. Could we move for next slide, Rimjim? Can you read here? There are two lines here. The one is like, just a few months ago, you would open the door and you had whole world to go. We were staying in a global village, and now we are dividing into every house. In house also distance, then every district, every block area, small area, we are dividing the entire world. Yeah, just for the sake of the uh, we human being, we are fighting with the virus. But yeah, the process of the thinking is changing in the society is very important to notice. Yeah, next page. It is just to give you the idea. I hope you guys are able to read this. Uh, yeah, next page. Next. And now see them. Remember, you are not stuck at home, but you are safe at home. Stay safe, break the chain. So it's very important into a small character and comic or everywhere. You can find out the story, what you want to show and what you want to express. It's way important. So this is storyline. I hope you guys get it. I have so many questions and things for you guys. So please notice properly. And I hope everyone is here, is looking at all this, and you may have a questions and you will discuss about it. Okay, let's go for next step. This step what I have tried to show you. The first one is to how you can create the story, how you can think around you, and how you can find out the this problems are. And now let's move for some example with yeah, this is what we find normally. Here in this particular exam, you do not need to draw and you do not need to make very nice drawing and all for your exams. This particular exam is based on your doodle, and that's what I mentioned, doodle book or a sketch, where you have to show the things are, you know, and how this will help you when you create the prototype or presentation. So it's just I add one or two slides so to have an idea. So you will have an idea while sketches only. Yeah, just wait for this slide now. Earlier slide also you have seen. Yeah, next slide is fine. Yeah, this also if you will see. So detailings once you are doing it, so you are aware about which all part you want to add, because somehow I see some point of a time you keep forgetting, okay, what is required here. I don't know, I see now detailings are missing. The reason behind of it is you have not planned it before. So if you will see a step in the right side, the plan, and the shapes are which you need to make in above also. So it is you can plan it before itself. That will help you. Can we move for the next one, next project? So how you will get inspired and how you can make the things, because most of us what we are making it right now, somehow I see the inspiration is missing. I can say that the tools is missing. It is, if you ask me the practically, we have enough time from here, and I'm looking for I'm willing to have more participant. We have ability to use the tools, there is no doubt, the tools which we have around. But the problem is, I think somehow we are not that focused. You don't know how to use the tools. Like suppose if you don't know the how to nail properly, you may hurt yourself. So it is very important to understand how exactly it is, and for this you need a conscious mind. Somehow we all are in this particular era or time also. Is I think this particular situation is not that conscious, which I see when it's come to the doctor trophy, you make directly a cross sign. Think that is some which somehow is missing. So just please, it's just for inspiration, keep notice this thing. So this is very famous design you have seen, must be this one. If not, just read about it. Design inspiration from natures, and this quite famous one, which is you know coming through the Japan. This one having a very great story behind of it. So if you will see the entire design and their layout and how this inspired, the all is marked here. If you will notice it properly. Yeah, next page, please go. Next slide. Here, when I talk about that kind of a design, do not keep in mind, okay, yeah, let's look at the simple design also. The simple product design also may have, okay, how the multifunctional, you can make a one product uses, and it is mentioned by image with the client, and it's easy to carry also. Same way, the next product, if you will notice, this is also, I hope you guys are getting is the step 1, step 2, and step 3. So how simple it is. So how relevant, simple, which you can sustain and you can make in metro cities easily, where we have a space to work for this. Yeah. Now this is something which I want to come and talk here much. This design inspiration and function. So first image, left hand side, which you can see here, uh, the first one. I have given you some example, and then I came here because if you will see first image, can you notice where we can use this and what is happening here? Anyone, can you please unmute yourself and tell me what is the purpose, why I have taken this image and why I want to show you and what is happening here?
So I think this is kind of something that's going to be very essential in the near future, because you don't want to come into contact with surfaces that are touched by everybody because of the present situation. So it's kind of like a no contact, especially in buses and everything where you need to stand and stuff.
Very nice, very nice. Did you seen this picture before or something similar?
No, I just like put two and two together because I mean the handle already has the function, but you're putting your own thing there so that you don't come into contact with that. So I'm assuming it's
Very
because of
nice, very nice. Now, it's the same things what you have talking right now. Congratulations, I Rive, for your result,
thank
for
you.
an idea, and I'm really proud of you. I have seen you the way you think and idea and design ability, and see it's clearly seen here also. You got it, and I hope everyone is very much clear what is the reason behind of it. So in the anything which you see around you, having some reason, it's not just simply like coming there. What I'm taking you through any picture or images and reference, trying to open your mind, see the very simple product here, which is like a stretchable, which having a folds, and that's having their own region behind of it. So are you able to connect everyone how important it is in near future? Or not in future, from today onwards, many places the buses and all is started, and being a designer is just a line and direction. Just be there only, Rimjim, the same page. So it's a very important, very important of such kind of a product, and you can come out with many more ideas about social distancing in buses, or while going on road, what we have to follow, schools, colleges, what we need to do. It's not just wearing a mask and gloves is the solution. We have to come, being a designer, we have to come out with many more solutions. And why I'm talking to you, because you are going to have a jam on in this current scenario and situation. And I have seen Nifton and ID to giving a question as per their situation and current topics. I do remember 2010, 11, 12 NIFT has given Commonwealth game topic. It's somehow relatively not only the 1 year, 2 year they have given. Like one is memento, one is conceptual t-shirt design. So it is very important is to understand topic is somehow I think it's similar to near about, and maybe one or two topics. So these are the things we have to start notice. I'm starting again from the basic. The reason only is somehow I feel we need to start from there. I'm not doubting your ability. You guys are really doing very good, but we have to focus on it. Yeah, right. Next image is here. You can see which having a you can see the how the stepwise the same product, and we have seen similar, I think, But again, I use this for pictures is very common. But how you can use this in metro city where we are staying, where we have a life, but how mostly we can have a better life here, and having a less resources and material, but we can use it multiple way. And maybe some of things you have seen in your house and maybe your friend house, certain product. So certain design when you do, so these are for the metro city, tier 1 city. So again, you have to keep in mind, so my functional design and any design which is for a multi-purpose, what is the purpose for where, like suppose you can design something for a school going student also, which is a bit multi-purpose because they have a lot of burden of their books, or whatever the scenario, current scenario. I think you can come out with so many ideas. It is a good time we have, and that's gonna impact a lot. Can we go for next page, Rimjim? Next slide.
Next, we have few videos for them.
Yeah, next slide is done. One more slide was
Yeah.
there, na?
No, then it is some more videos.
Okay, videos are there. So I will show you the videos. I will again come back and will discuss with you all also. But I hope you are getting it, the importance of this. What I'm discussing right now is, so design sensibility we have to understand. Here also, if you will see, before starting this video, I just want to see, are you able to, can you please tell me here, just looking this image, you are getting some point, what is happening? Navya
The
has
tea,
explained right now very nicely. Yeah, tell me.
it is getting filtered. The leaves are getting separated from the tea. Used
Uh,
tea leaf.
is that ma'am has shared you this video? Or you're
No,
looking it first time? No? Come on, no.
first
Very
time
good.
only.
Okay, let's see this video, then we'll talk. See. Yeah. So idea is to showing you images or this video. Thank you, Rimjim. I just want you to don't not doubt on yourself. I agree. We all having a ability to use the tools what we have, is just how to use that tool, or we have to come out with our that zone where we think, habit is become compulsive, and we are not a compulsive creature, where is just we can use these things only. And don't be so automation kind of, because machine can perform better than us. If we become automated, we cannot. And why I'm telling all this, because when the topic comes, you guys go direct about the product, which I feel it somewhere we may score 10, 12, 14, but I want all of these students at least to score 18 and 20. How maybe one or two yesterday they got in your test. If you'll notice yesterday, I would really appreciate and thankful for the entire team. They'll be live today also, and they have tried to come again on this portal, and given a very great team efforts, because all of them in different locations. Ajay sir was from Kolkata. Even Rathore sir is given the time. He's normally our chief guest for the event. When I was joined the Madura, Aditya Birla, for my internship, that time they introduced me to him. He was that time for our some final lecture. He just came for 5-10 minutes. Very senior. all of them is given you the good wishes, they have given the feedback. So we are really taking it on very much right track, but I want more, like, input from you guys also. Okay, let's see this one. The next one, very small videos are, I'm not taking anyone which is quite big, so just go through this also.
Meet Hurdle Hanger, or as we like to call it, the 1 second hanger. It's designed to help you organize all types of clothes quickly and easily. You can hang your tops, bottoms, knits, and even your belt, just like that. So how's this possible? It comes down to this unique insert design. It's what allows you to hang any type of clothes in a snap. What's more cool is it prevents the neckline of your tops from stretching. There's more. Hurdle Hanger is designed to hang clothes 2 to 3 inches higher than most hangers, creating more storage space beneath. You can also save space in your closet, since it's half as thin as the average clip hanger in the market. Another cool feature is the C-type hook, where you can hang your belt or even extra clothes. And unlike most flimsy hangers, Hurdle Hanger is made of high-quality ABS, a durable material used to make protective headgear. Oh, and of course, it has slip-resistant strips to prevent your clothes from falling off.
For these kind of a things, we say solution for any design. Like, we do have many design problems when we see design where they need a space to upgrade, and that's what we are doing it here with the small changes. So design is not just for aesthetic appeal. Any things which you are adding and doing it in design, that is a purpose is to make it more wearable. When it's come to the, like, fashion design kind of, it should be more handy, it should be more useful. That is the purpose of design. So you just need to become more conscious, do it consciously, you will have phenomenal result. There are a miracle is waiting for you, but no doubt we have to put more effort for them, for more consciously, not just like, okay, this I have to make it. This you must be seen on like, Pahal pages. If you see these videos, I just want Rimjim play this one also. This it's my a product. It's quite similar to what you guys make, so that's what I just keep this also. Well, so idea is about all these videos and whatever we have. So reason behind of it's very simple. How we make ourselves more and more, conscious towards our design, towards our thinking skill. Because if anything you have, that we need to put there some your ideas behind of it. Like even for master student in their JDPI, what they are looking for, they're looking for their, after all, on topic, their ideas and concepts. So here also you have to come out with your points. Yes, marking yesterday, if you'll see also some of the marking, the mark students which followed the things are, and that is how this kind of peoples are there in your exam. That's what we have tried. We tried, none of them was there less than 10 and 12-year experienced. And what we add on here also, the same way you will have marking in your exam also. It's not only the R student will be there. So today it will be the same. So what we have done, we have called other students also from Pan India in different group to share their work, and we are marking along with that. So today, make sure we'll have our all student marking, but along with that, we can see the level of competition also. So no doubt you guys are doing great and far better than others, but it's just we need to put more sincere effort. It's just putting effort is not required, more sincere effort, focus effort. Just think 1 month we have. Tomorrow after the result, you should not feel like, okay, a little more effort if I would put, I may have a much more better result. That regret you should not have in yourself. So that's it. My idea is, and I hope you all are ready for this. Most of your video is closed. Maybe you guys are still not wake up properly. I hope you had your breakfast. If not, post this session, take your breakfast. I would like to talk one by one here to all of you. Tell me your points are and how you will go through, because tomorrow there is no class. For although they are thinking, okay, Monday is extra class, maybe I have to study tomorrow again. Tomorrow class I will see, and you have to face me day after also. So whomsoever will complete and will work in the same direction, we'll take it from here in continue in our advanced classes, because I need students are though they will understand the value and want to go in this into the same way to add more and more weightage in their work. So let's start with the Sudhanshu. Sudhanshu,
Yes, sir.
how do you feel? Like, are you am I like, how are you able to connect here what we have
Yes,
done
sir.
today? Could you
Yes,
please
sir.
put your point something? All of you, please write down today's point. What is your learning?
So I learned that
Assignment.
you have to be more creative, and you have to be more creative in your make your product and understand the current situation.
Okay, thank you. Navya,
I think it's you need to take inspiration from anywhere, because you need to be more observant of the surroundings to take inspiration from everywhere. Because like even from the example of that hanger, it's something you come across on a daily basis. You'll have your clothes falling off or not enough, but to be observant of that and then create a change, so that it's basically creating it's basically solving your problem. But it's a very simple thing, but you need to be more observant of what's going on around you.
yeah, true, nice. Sudhanshu and Navya, that is good. Sania, thank you.
I've learned that you need to find solutions to the problems that are going on in the situation, and be more conscious, be more serious about the situation test. Even though we are at home and doing nothing, we are still not getting time to do such creative things.
I try to put that, touch that part also. So
Yeah.
where and what you guys are doing it, you need to find out the time. Yeah, it's just
Yeah,
like
making
tomorrow you don't
timetable.
feel like. Yes, very good. Whatever, I am fine with if you don't have timetable also, but try to make a lump sum, like focused effort and not automated. Okay, 1 hour before the test or in a test I've done something, some product, Google it. Don't do it. In a bag also, if you're making it, try to add on some interesting part. Why not you take some leaf cut texture example and that you are creating in the top and surface of the bag, which hardly will take time. We have taught you a lot of techniques, and you may have some interesting techniques and classes also in this month. But I have decided, I made up the mind. Today I will take the all batch class. I will find out the all students. Rimjim, please must write the all name, or Gauravji, if you are here. Make sure write the all names. I will filter these crowds. We'll take the separate class. Rest we'll have regular classes, because I need to find out who all are keen and interested and can score 20 out of 20. This is the time we have to become ruthless. Some point of a time, not and for few things, to come out with the quality result. Very important. It's just like it should be the equal effort, and I am happy you are getting it. Nice. Don't feel all points are done. There are lot many things to talk, because it was very broad. Smriti,
Yes, sir.
yeah, tell me.
सर हिंदी में बोले.
हाँ बोलिए ना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बताइए. क्या समझ में आया आपको?
आज की क्लास से हम यही समझे कि मतलब कोई भी छोटा से छोटा चीज हो, मतलब उससे हमको इंस्पिरेशन ले लेना है कहीं से भी, और उसको ऑब्जर्व करके उसको अपने अनुसार उसमें डेवलप करना है किसी प्रोडक्ट में.
पहले क्या पता था आपको, यही बता दो.
पहले जो बनाते थे उसमें पहले बना लेते थे, उसके बाद सोचते थे कि इंस्पिरेशन मतलब इसमें कहाँ से लें.
बहुत ही ऑनेस्ट है आप. तो पहले हमारा काम प्रोडक्ट सेंट्रिक होता था, मतलब यू नो around the product, what is my product is, right? So we have to see innovation before the product. That's what we are supposed to do, right? Tanisa, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Video, yeah, great. कैसे हो आप? How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
Somehow I am also fine. When I see all happy faces, I feel better then. Yeah, tell me.
So I feel that you can never really be satisfied if you look onto the products. There always like an availability of a better version of it. So yeah, that's what I feel. You need to be way more observant, because if you see any product, I think yes, always a possibility that you can add more functionality, whether or more aesthetics or like like that only.
Thursday we may discuss few more things. I will give you the example. It is not necessary to look for a very big. That's what I add the both kind of, the example which is very easy, an example of some of the example which give you the broader aspect and view. So simple product was is just a square round of the one, like which you can carry during these days in once you are in and public places. Are two different kind of a product. So it is very important, like suppose you are making a cane also for any bottle, Coke cane or anything, and adding some texture on top of that. It's not just for aesthetic view. Along with that, what is the use of it? So that we have to notice. And anyway, no doubt, what you have said, it's right. We human never get satisfied, and we keep coming with the new designs. Are even if you will see each brand, even a water bottle also, there are the new range of the each product. Whatever we will take. I keep giving examples of the different cane, Coke and water bottle. So everywhere it is in bag, or like if you will see the range of your shoes and sandal also in home, that's many, right? And everyone may have a bit difference. Yes, no. Did you ever notice,
Yes,
Tanisha?
sir.
कितने pairs हैं आपके
Yes,
पास?
sir.
How many pair you have?
I never counted.
Never counted, na? Yeah, see, you have to go and count now. How many I have? How come it's yours only? How come you are so careless? You don't know how many you have? Just kidding, yeah. Ali Mohan. Mohini. Yeah, that's
Yes.
a nice name. Now,
Good morning, sir.
good morning. Yes.
So I was disconnected for some time and I don't know about the class. So my laptop wasn't
Really?
working. Yes, sir.
Oh my God. So that's how if you'll talk to everyone, then you will get to know kaun tha, kaun nahi tha. So who will help
Okay,
Ali?
sir.
Raise your hand. Somebody thumbs up. Post class. आप एक काम करो आली, आपको रिमझिम मैम को बोलना, वो लिंक भेज देंगे. यू कम एट 12 o'clock क्लास, तभी मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा सेम. ठीक है? I may
Okay.
have almost similar discussion. Join 12 o'clock class. Rimji ma'am, make sure she is joining again. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
छोड़ूंगा नहीं मैं जो भी आ रहे हैं. हाँ जी. तनीषा, आपसे बात होगी मेरा?
Yes, sir.
We are done. Very good, nice. Ritanya. Quickly. I have to tell you about assignment also. Yeah, Ritanya, hello. How are you?
Told what I was coming to say. I'm fine, sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
I think Tanisha told what I was coming to say. The same thing. We always want something better and more different and unique every time. So
Okay. So you are getting it, no doubt, right?
yeah.
Okay. इप्सिता.
यस सर.
कैसे हो आप?
सर बढ़िया.
देखा था आपने सेशन, अभी हमने क्या डिस्कस करा, आप थे?
यस सर.
Yes. So what was your learning?
So I think I look surrounding and take inspiration. What's the problem around us and solve the problem very easy way, not difficult.
Great.
And,
So on that only we will have topic today. And most
Yeah.
of you, I have not seen your sketchbook and all today, so we will discuss about it. और यही काम देंगे हम, assignment भी यही होगा.
Okay, sir.
Ritan, are you there?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good morning, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Morning. Do you have network problem? I can't see your videos today.
Yeah, just one sec. I'll switch it.
Yeah. No.
Am I visible now?
Hi. How are you?
I'm good, sir. Thank you. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm good. So it's like, this way we can connect well, like, Yeah. Tell me your points are.
So I think I learned that observation is very important. Like on a daily basis, we see that inspiration is everywhere, in our surroundings. Like, there are so many
Correct.
problems lying out there, but we never really think about the solutions to those problems. Like we just let them be like that. So I think we should think of the probable solutions that we can. Also, I think if we make a model
Yeah.
which is relevant to the current situation, then it would like fetch us better marks.
Yeah.
So we pick a problem and then we provide a creative solution for that. Also, the one thing that was facing problem in was time management, like doing beautification and everything in less time, execution in less time. So that was one of my main problems. Yeah. So that.
Thank you. Very good points. Last point also, I really like it a lot. The one thing we have to keep in mind, when we will come for small, easy solution, moment you will look for a solutions are, you will able to manage the time also. Right now, you're looking for so difficult aesthetic appeal the products are, the better aesthetic appeal product. That's what the mindset of everyone. That's what I seen. I said, do not work for automation. That's what my reason is. The automation, to you have to come for to become more practical, and your result will be phenomenal, no doubt. You will get a result which you cannot even imagine or can think. So simple thing make more sense, and that's what I try to show you. So many simple examples are, which can easily done. So what will be the assignment? You all got it here. Day after, come out with at least 10 plan. Like, we all have your names. You guys can't miss it. So, and you have to make one presentation. Let's make sure your sketches, drawings should be in a presentation, and that you explain. One of us here only, I think, Rimji ma'am or maybe Gaurav sir, they will share the PPT and your name, your work, and that you have to explain. Related only for this post-pandemic situation. Whatever product you are making it.